Wix Website Builder Honest Review, watch before use video, will provide an honest review of the Wix Website Builder so you can decide if it's the right choice for you. Links to the product are in the description. Wix is one of the most popular website builders on the market, known for its user-friendly drag-and-drop interface and extensive customization options. It's designed for anyone from small business owners to freelancers and creatives who want to build a website without needing to know code. With over 800 templates, Wix offers something for everyone, whether you're creating a portfolio, a blog, an online store, or a business website. The platform also features an app market where you can add functionality to your site, from appointment booking to e-commerce tools. One of the standout features of Wix is its flexibility. You can drag and drop elements anywhere on the page, allowing for a highly personalized design. However, this flexibility can be a double-edged sword. While it offers creative freedom, it can also lead to inconsistent design and a steeper learning curve for those who aren't as tech-savvy. Wix also provides robust e-commerce capabilities, making it a viable option for those looking to sell products online. The built-in SEO tools are decent, though not as advanced as some dedicated platforms. Another point to consider is that once you choose a template, you can't switch to another one without starting from scratch, which might be a limitation for some users. So, is Wix the right choice for you? If you value creative control and want a versatile platform that can handle various types of websites, Wix is a solid option. However, if you prefer a more streamlined, guided experience with a focus on design consistency, you might want to explore other options. Ultimately, Wix offers a lot of potential, but it's important to weigh its flexibility against the learning curve it presents. Check out the link in the description to explore Wix further and see if it's the right fit for your website needs.